Hello there! I am a little flying machine called a drone. I have 4 special arms with propellers that spin round and round. When they spin really fast, they go whizz-whizz-whizz. That sound means I am ready to fly. I lift off the ground and buzz through the air just like a busy bee. I love flying way up high. From the sky, everything looks so tiny. The houses look like little toy blocks, and the cars look like colorful little bugs crawling on the ground. It is so much fun to see the world from above the treetops. Long, long ago, clever people dreamed of flying without being inside a big, noisy airplane. They wanted to see the world from a bird's point of view. A very smart friend of mine named Abraham Karem had a wonderful idea back in the 1970s. He helped make me so I could fly all by myself. I don't need a pilot inside of me. Instead, a friend on the ground uses a special remote control with buttons and joysticks to help me soar through the sky. It is like they are playing a fun video game, but I am real, and I get to have all the flying adventures. I have so many amazing jobs now. I am a helper. I can be a flying camera. Zoom! I can fly over a birthday party and take pictures of everyone smiling and eating cake. I also help farmers by flying over their big fields to check on the yummy fruits and vegetables growing in the sunshine. Sometimes I get to be a super fast mail carrier with wings. I can carry small packages and deliver them right to someone's door. I am so happy that I get to be a helpful friend, flying high and exploring our big, beautiful world from the sky. It's the best job ever.